Hey, guys.
Haha, yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh,
Wow! A giant dinosaur structure! That's a great job you've done there. What's going on, guys? Oh! Watch out, Mike! Let me call Maverick! Maverick, hurry up! Mike has been eaten by a dinosaur! Mo and Mike were building a dinosaur made of straws when it fell on Mike. Air assistance? You're right, Maverick. Let's find Mia. What has happened there? Hey, Max, what happened? A giant pillow fight? Awesome! Was Mia part of the game? You're telling me those feathers actually are Mia? Okay, then. We should help her, don't you think, Maverick?
Wow!
Oh, great, Maverick! Kids, Maverick needs your help to get his air tube. To help Maverick get his air tube, say air tube. 1, 2, 3. Air tube! Really cool! Now, to get Mia rid of all these feathers, please blow! Max, Maverick, you ready? 1, 2, 3. We should blow harder, right, guys? Ready? 1, 2, 3. We should blow longer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, Mia. Glad to see you. Oh! Well done, Max. You're all clean now. You're right, Maverick. Mia, we need your help to get Mike out of a dinosaur's belly. Kids, Maverick wants to use his booster speed. To help him use his booster speed, shout, booster speed. 1, 2, 3. Booster speed! Guys, Maverick is here. Oh, Mo, you should stop. Wow! Relax, guys. It's just Mike getting impatient. Don't worry, Mia. Mike is getting impatient. You really should act now. Courage, Mia! Of course! Work as a team! 1, 2, 3, go! Just a little more effort! Well done, guys! Kids, you know what to do. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Mike. Hey, Mo. Whoa, that's going to be a huge snowman. Good job, Mo.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, dear. Run! Look out! Mo!
Whoa.
Yikes! Mo is frozen solid.
Whoa.
What do we do? Good thinking. Maverick will save him. Maverick, come quick! There's an emergency! Come on! Mo slipped and fell into the icy river. What should we do? Good idea. I hope they'll help.
Hey.
Milo and Mitch, we need help fast! Do you have a wrecking ball?
Oh. Whoa.
Great. No time to lose. Follow Maverick. Look, Mike. Maverick is here, and he brought help. Mike's right. We need to get Mo out of the water. Can you pick him up? Use your crane. That's it. You're doing it. Uh-oh. The current is pulling him away. Pull! Awesome work, you guys! You did it! Yikes! He's frozen solid! Are you okay, Mo? Cold, eh? I bet! You're right, Maverick. Miranda will be able to help. Hang on. Miranda, we have a patient who needs care. Do you have any hot water bottles? Great! Let's go!
Yo.
Hey.
Oh.
Ha.
Oh. Whoa.
Ha. Oh.
The finished snowman looks great.
Oh.
It was nice of you to pitch in and help finish it, Milo and Mitch.
Lili Mali Babu.
I'm so glad Miranda's hot water bottles and cocoa warmed you up, Mo.
Ha ha. Yeah. Oh.
Nice teamwork today, everyone. Enjoy the snow. See you next time, friends.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hi, Malcolm. Who are you talking to? Cool. You're on a walkie-talkie. Is that Max? You two are prepping the fireworks with Mo, but where is he? Wow! The New Year's Eve clock is all ready for tonight's countdown. Only 20 minutes and 8 seconds to go before the new year. Oh, here he is.
Yeah. Ha ha.
Oh no! Better call Maverick to see if he can help fix it. Maverick, we have an emergency on the mountain. There's only 18 minutes left until the new year, and a firework has fallen. That must be Malcolm calling to tell you about it. Mo has been distracted, and the firework he had set up fell. This is an emergency. Can you help?
Hey. Huh.
Great! Let's go!
Ahead. Ha ha.
Maverick and M&M are here to help, Mo. There's probably less than 10 minutes until midnight. Here, guys! Maverick found the firework! Okay, let's take a look at this tree. Don't worry, Mo. Milo and Mitch can use their hook to reach it. Right, guys? Careful, guys. Don't get too close. It's Malcolm on the walkie-talkie. There's only 20 more seconds before midnight. You can do this, guys. Gotcha. Strike it up. Here it is. Put it into the ground, Mo. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Thanks for your help, Maverick, Milo, and Mitch. See you next time, everybody.
Well, well. Looks like a heavy race is happening around here. Wow, you're such a show-off. Don't be overconfident, Marty. The race is not over yet. Oh my! Marty, look out! You have a hole underneath your hull, Marty. Hold on. Marty, where is Mo? There's no trace of him anywhere. Can you see him?
Oh, right now.
Thank goodness. There he is. Hold on, guys. Maverick can help you out.
Whoa! 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 Oh? Whoa!
Hey, Maverick. Marty and Mo need your help.
Oh?
Can you go by the lake now? See what's happening, Maverick? You need to get there fast. Hi, girls. What are you doing?
Hey!
Oh, you're playing mouse and cat? Looks fun. Mia, here comes Maverick. There's an emergency.
Oh!
Marty and Mo are in danger and need you. They're at the beach. Can you come? Look, Mia, there they are. Hurry.
Oh.
Hold on, Mo. Mia is going back for you.
Ah, but lidah putu.
Way to go, guys. You're almost there. Are you enjoying your ride, Mo?
Hey.
Great teamwork, you guys. Marty, looks like Maverick has been taking care of your hole. You look good. So what would you think of starting a race again? Mo says he's had his lot of action for today. But you guys go ahead. How about a race between Mia and Marty? Air against water? What do you think, guys? Okay, Maverick, you can do the counting. Ready? Steady? Go! Good luck to you, monsters, and be careful this time. See you soon.